Hey guys, DriveShaftdrew here. How y'all doing today? Well, today I took upon a little project to save myself some money, and I'll show you what it is. When I bought this furnace, it was a high efficiency furnace. They talked me into going to a 16 by 25 by 4 furnace filter, which fits into that hole. Okay, those 16 by 25 by 4 furnace filters here in Winnipeg, the cheapest I could find one for is like 26 bucks for each filter. So, I change the filter, 3, 4 times a year. But the house has been getting pretty dusty. So I talked to a friend of mine who does furnaces, and he says, well, why don't you just put a 16 by 25 by 1 in there? I said, so what? I got to put 4 filters in there? It's going to cost me the same kind of money. And he goes, no, the 16 by 25 by 1 filters are like 15 bucks for a dozen of them. And he says, you could just block off the rest of it. So what I came up with, and I'll show you guys, so if you ever want to save yourself some money and it's going to work perfectly, you build yourself a box. Okay? All it is, just simple. I took some old scrap wood I had laying around and I just built a box. Basically the size of so the box is 3 inches wide, and all you do, instead of putting the 1 furnace filter in, or the 4 by 25 filter, you put this box in first, which works perfectly, and it's not going to burn because there's no heat there. It's only cold air return, right? So the box fits in. Now what do you see? You see a 1-inch gap. So now you come along, you take your furnace filter, and your furnace filter goes right into that 1-inch gap, and guess what, guys? It's nice and tight fit. So there you go, 4 by 25 by 1, but it's actually only a 16 by, or 4 by 25. It's still 4 inches wide at the old filter now, but instead I'm using the 1-inch filter is what I'm trying to say. So basically the 1-inch filters I could change one a month, no problem. I'll change the filters one a month, and then as far as everything else goes, same idea as putting on the other furnace filters. Boom, you're done. Now I can clean up all this extra dust that has been gathering up because I've been lacking on buying these, $26 to $42 furnace filters. Now I can go with a $2 furnace filter and throw it out every month. So I'll be able to change that thing once a month. I got a dozen furnace filters on order right as of today. And as soon as I get them in, I'll change it again. If I have to change them once a week, I'll change them once a week. But they're a lot cheaper to do it this way. I just thought I'd do a quick video on there, give you guys an idea on how it works. And the buddy who gave me the idea, thank you very much, buddy. He can't be beat. Super good idea. I was thinking of getting the metal, like to rip this out, to put the proper filter in and all that. But that would have been a lot more work than building that wood piece. So there you go, guys. That's how you get around those 4 by whatever filters. You can go down to a 1-inch filter. It makes a big deal of difference. So we'll talk to y'all later. Bye.